You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now it is very clear. Very good. Okay, Shubham, you introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Myself, Shubham MAITI. I belong to South 24 Pargana district from West Bengal. I did my primary education from Sundarban Adarsha Vidya Mandir and Kontai Model Institution. Then I did my graduation from Jadavpur University. After that, I pursued post-graduation from IIT Bombay in 2024.
Hmm. So
My hobby,
last year you appeared for GSI?
yes, sir, I appeared for GSI, but I was qualified after the prelims, but I have not given the mains.
Okay,
So,
okay. So did you do some dissertation in your MSc days?
yes, sir, I have done my dissertation.
What was the subject?
Sir, my topic was molecular taxonomy of the vertebrate fossil from Nimar sandstone, dinosaur fossil.
With whom you are working?
Sir, my guide was Professor Surjendra Datta, sir.
Oh, dinosaurs. Okay. So what was your finding?
Sir, can you please repeat?
What was your finding? Finding.
Okay, finding, sir. In my topic, sir, I was basically what I am doing is we are doing the what is the bone. The dinosaur bone is basically made up of the inorganic, organic, and the water part. The inorganic part is basically hydroxyapatite part. The organic part is basically collagen part. So after the deposition, many days have been gone. So what are the alterations have been preserved in the bone, and the how many what percentage of organic or inorganic matter have been preserved, that I was looking for. So after the findings and after the dissertation was complete, I have decided that on that region where the basically the fossils were was basically taken in the Dhar district, Madhya Pradesh, was from the bark bed. So the bone was basically altered with some pyrite. So it basically indicates the anoxic environment in that region.
It is altered by pyrite. Pyrites have
Pyrite.
grown.
Yes.
Pyrites have grown. Replacing the calcium phosphate.
Yes. Yes.
So iron sulfide replaces calcium sulfate.
Yes.
What type of reaction it is?
Uh, uh, what type of reaction?
It is
Sir, I think alteration reaction.
it is altered. Is it oxidation? Is it a reduction? These are the type of reactions, no?
Sir, it's a reduction.
How it is a reduction?
Sir, because in the reduced environment, the pyrites have been
Reducing environment, don't talk. Your calcium phosphate is replaced by iron sulfides. So calcium is being replaced by iron. How it is a reduction reaction?
Sir, from that we cannot say that it is a reduction reaction, because the reduction reaction is basically the drop in the oxidation number. So
What is the oxidation number of calcium phosphate? Calcium का कितना oxidation number है? What is the oxidation number of calcium?
sir, I think +2 would be the oxidation number in
And
calcium phosphate.
how about iron?
Sir, I think it is will be also. Sir, iron would be sir +2 also.
Iron will be +2. Sure.
Yes,
Not +3.
plus. Yes, sir, plus.
If it is +3, then is oxidation reaction or reduction reaction? Suppose +3.
No, sir, the oxidation is basically when the element of the same is basically increasing or decreasing. For example, if the iron in the previous state it was +2 and then it becomes +3, then we call it oxidation.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. Can you see this reaction later on? Whether it is a oxidation or reduction reaction, or whether it is a continuous reaction, discontinuous reaction, or a hydration reaction. Otherwise, how you will explain this replacement? Why it replaces? Why calcium phosphate is replaced by iron sulfide? Suppose somebody asks why? What is the reason?
Sir, basically the environment that time was basically the reducing type of environment. So in the
Doesn't matter. Calcium phosphate does not crystallize in a reducing environment.
sir, it is not stable in the reducing environment.
Why it is not stable?
Sir, the basically the phosphate basically preserved in the oxidized kind of environment.
In oxidation condition. Oxygen availability. Yes,
Yes.
very good. Very good. So when you are bringing sulfur to that atmosphere, if the atmosphere is a lack of oxygen, sulfur replaces oxygen. Very good. Very good. Now I will go to some other questions. That is your dissertation, isn't it? That was
Yes.
your dissertation. Now let me ask you about the area where you are working. There are bog beds, isn't it?
Yes.
Bog beds. Now bog beds has a very special importance in the Indian geological history. What is that?
Sir, bark bed is basically presented in the Narmada Rift Basin. So,
Okay.
sir, in the Narmada Rift Basin is basically in the extensional type of basin.
Okay.
If we say about the environment purposes, we can say that previously it was a shallow marine kind of environment, but after that,
Shallow marine, how dinosaur will live there?
sir, not the dinosaur is living in the past because the fluvial when the environment was fluvial. But
Okay.
after the fluvial, when the rifting has happened in the Eurasian during the breakup of the Pangea, the shallow marine type of environment has been developed. So after that, we can see that above successions was like nodular limestone also there. So limestone has been formed in the shallow marine, but the dinosaur which are formed in the later, like in the late Cretaceous, which is basically fluvial in environment.
Okay. Now, can limestone form in cold environment?
Sir, in cold environment, no, sir, limestone cannot form.
Sure.
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
So there is no glacial limestone.
Uh, okay. Sir, I don't know, sir. I need to
You
learn
check.
it.
You check. So there in a cold environment, the limestones can form on, or whether it requires always, hot environment. It requires a evaporating system, isn't it?
Yes,
Evaporation.
yes, sir.
Now, does evaporation takes place in cold condition also?
Yes, sir. It can possible in cold condition because during the deglaciation, the evaporation can be there.
Yes. So the cold environment can also produce carbon
Yes,
if there is evaporation.
yes, yes.
You just check. There are examples in Gondwana time also. Very good, very good. Now, so these are all about the Narmada Rift Valley. Now you just come to south. If you come from Narmada Rift Valley towards south, what are different formations you get it?
South of the Narmada Rift Basin,
Rift Basin?
sir. In the south of the Narmada Rift Basin, there is Deccan basalt is there.
Okay. Deccan basalt and what else?
Uh, some,
Come further south, further south. What are the other formations or terrains you will get it?
sir, then Tharwar Craton also we can see
Groundwater is far off.
very
Far
fast.
south, that is in Karnataka state.
Yes,
But
yes,
in the MP, you have Deccan Trough. Then you have your CITZ.
yes. Central
CITZ,
India.
that is an important unit. Na?
Yes, yes.
That is also equally prominent from mineral point of view and tectonic point of view. Okay. Okay. Now, since you have brought Dharwar into picture, what is this Dharwar in what type of terrain it is?
Sir, it is a Archean greenstone belt.
It is an Archean greenstone belt. It is a craton. Archean craton consisting of the greenstone belts. Okay. So these cratons are having two important units. As you
Yes.
tell, one is greenstone, other one is TTG. Tonalite, tronzomite, granodiorite, nice. Now, what are these rocks consist of in greenstone belts?
So the greenstone belt consists of basically the ultramafic type of rock minerals like olivine and comatiite in sometimes also it can
It can
be there.
occur, it will occur. Comatites are there. Then what else?
Also, sir, also you have said that the tonalite, tronzomite, granodiorite
That is another
we
unit.
found.
But within greenstone sequence, one is your comatites, ultra basic rocks. Next unit is what?
Sir,
Alkaline basalt.
alkaline basalt.
Then you have BIF. So
BIF.
BIF, manganese. That is sedimentary units. Sedimentary units in the greenstone beds.
Yes.
Okay. Now, contrast with the craton, the mobile belts are having different geology. Can you tell me what are the mobile belts and why do they call as mobile belt?
Sir, the Craton is basically the stable continental part, but the mobile belt, which are basically situated around the Craton, so they are basically in the active tectonic part. So this is why where the tectonic activity is currently going on. So this is the reason because we call it the mobile belt.
Mobile belts has it has highly deformed. The grade of metamorphism is high. It is intruded by the granites. It has different types of minerals. Can you name one mobile belt?
Yes, sir. Eastern Ghat mobile belt is another one of the mobile belt.
One of the mobile belts. But there are some mobile belts where sulfide minerals are plenty. Which is that? Sulfides.
Sir, Delhi, Aravalli.
Delhi Aravalli mobile belt. Which are the sulfide deposits? Where do they occur?
Sir, galena, salarite, these are the sulfide minerals that can occur in the Delhi Aravalli mobile belt.
So where? Which place?
Uh, okay. Does sir in the Zawar mines?
Jawar mines. Then Ambaji area is for copper. Then
Dairy mines,
Rampura, Odisha, lead zinc,
Rajpura Dariba.
Rajpura Doriba, Khetri for copper. These deposits you should remember. Otherwise there may be some economic geologists who is sitting in the board. They will ask. Okay. Now you have qualified for both the things, groundwater as well as for GSI.
Yes.
Okay. So I will ask some questions from groundwater.
Yes, sir.
So in groundwater exploration, what are the methods we use?
Sir, the basic method is basically the sir, electrical method that is used in the groundwater resistivity survey.
Okay.
So, so, so there are many types of electrical methods are there like Weiner, Schlumberger array.
Good.
These are the
Very good.
methods.
But that
Apart
you
from
say, before that you say that before going to field, where will you go for the resistivity survey? First you will do the remote sensing work. You will define the lineaments. Higher lineament density areas you should go.
yes, sir.
So like this, first remote sensing work should be done. Then you go for the field and do those works. That is fine. That is well and good. So tell both the things together. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Now, this groundwater has been nowadays the global warming has affected the groundwater table. How it happens?
Sir, the global warming is basically sir, the rising in temperature, rising in the average temperature.
Okay.
So from the 1950s, if you see the average temperature has risen. So the basically the sea level or the water level is basically the going downward. So
Sea
that
level
means
is
that
going upward, not downward case.
no, sir, the sea level is going upward because the glacial ice is basically melting. So the sea
Correct.
level is basically rising, but the groundwater table is basically declining.
Why it is
Because
declining?
sir, because of the sir, if the global warming is happening, sir, then the agriculture is in agricultural industry. sir, we need more water. So
Ah.
the water will come from the either the shallow groundwater table. So they will extract the much more amount of water from the
Over
groundwater.
pumping. Over pumping,
Over
you
pumping.
mean.
Yes.
It is not the agriculture, but also the urbanization.
Urbanization also. Yes.
Urbanization. Both things together, they have over pumped or the overused the groundwater. Okay. So in that case, now the rainfall is also happening. Can you not replenish the groundwater?
Sir, it can also, sir, logically it should replenish the groundwater, but due to the urbanization, the basically the aquifers or the open spaces are not present currently.
Ah.
So the
Let's
water is
actually
not
say
circulating.
the rainfall is very irregular.
Irregular, yes.
So as a result, what happened? The runoff has become increased. Runoff.
Yes.
So that it does not get time to infiltrate.
Yes.
So it does not affect or does not improve the groundwater level. That is okay. So groundwater part is okay. One more question I will ask you. What was your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is basically I love to cook and I study the storybooks.
Story books. Which story books you read recently?
Sir, I basically read the, I mean, I am from Bengal, so I prefer to study the storybooks from my language, like the Bengali novels, Bengali storybooks, Bengali magazines also.
Okay. Tell me one magazine or one book name.
Sir, recently, sir, in our state, basically, the Durga Puja is a very famous festival. So, in that festival, many magazine companies they basically publish the yearly in the I mean, festival kind of magazine yearly. So I have read the Ananda Mela. The name is the Puja Varshik Ananda Mela. So
Very
I
good.
have read the magazine
Very good.
currently.
Okay. The last question I will tell you. Last questions I will ask you. So you are in IIT Bombay campus now?
No, sir. I have post-graduated in 2024. Then, sir, I am preparing for the GSI exam.
You are in Kolkata now.
You are,
You are living
yes, sir,
in
in my
Kolkata.
home, in my country. Yes,
Okay. Okay. Suppose you are flying from Kolkata to Delhi.
yes.
Kolkata to Delhi. So we will meet some basaltic rocks on the way.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, in the Chotnagpur Nicene complex, we can experience the basaltic kind of rock.
Can you name the rock? Where does it occur?
The place or the rock?
Yeah, the place.
Okay. So the places are basically if we go from the Asansol, Jharkhand region. So that in that traverse we can expect a
Yeah,
basaltic type
Rajmahal
of
trap. Rajmahal trap.
Rajmahal.
Rajmahal
Yes.
trap is famous, just like Deccan trap. So you may get a question, like this. Suppose you are traveling from Kolkata to Delhi, what are the rocks you will get on the way? So like this, you prepare some GK questions also you will get. Okay, Shubham, I'm very happy with your answers. You have a very good, pleasant personality, and you have a good grooming also in your subject. So I think we will be through. Okay, best of
Okay, sir.
luck.
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can leave now. Okay.